Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you some of our product. This is our control valve. Okay, if you're interested about this one, please follow me, okay? We packed with the VCI anti-rust bags, and also on these parts there had the label on the back. First, you can see here, this is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, yes, you can contact us. Because we supply the customized services like the logo, label, the packaging bags, and so on. Okay, this part is product code F00RJ01522. And the application model injector model number is 0445120062. This is the QR code. You can use your phone to scan more information about our product. Okay, this is inside part. Wow, you can look at our inside part. Actually, we had two forms of our packages in the inside part. Today, I will talk about this one. This is a product in the inside part. Let's open it. Yes, as you can see, this is the inside part. Actually, we're not only sealing the outside, also we're sealing the separate part. Look at the separate parts. This is the valve cap. For our valve cap, look at here. There has a coating, also with the curved letters and the surfaces. And on this part, this is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different sizes. And if you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? Okay, so much for the product introductions. Yes. At here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first, clean it with oil. The second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Okay, let's talk about the warranty. About our product, we have the 6 months warranties. Yes, during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can return it to exchange the product for you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.